Over the years, many people have come and gone in Central Florida claiming to be professional detailers, but Bill's Car Wash and Detailing Centers has stood the test of time. We have been professionally washing and detailing cars since 1992. There are several reasons why we believe Bill's Car Wash is simply your very best choice for automotive detailing. Under the same ownership since 1992, Bill's Car Wash simply has more experience. With a team of over 20 well-trained professional detailers, each having worked at Bill's for over 5 years on average, and a management team with over 50 years of combined detailing experience, you can rest assured that your vehicle is in the very best hands.